Hey everyone, I just posted some of these augmented reality 3D models on microscopeclarity.com of a few microorganisms. I would highly encourage checking these out. These are really fun to play with. You can, if you got a smartphone, you can go to microscopeclarity.com. And in fact, at the end of this video, I'll show you how you can get there and how you kind of get into that augmented reality mode. This one right here is of a tardigrade, and this is a AR model of a Daphnia, also known as a water flea. So I really like this one because you can really get a sense of like how the antennae are structured, relative to the body, which in some images of the Daphnia are not really apparent. So this is it's a really cool model to kind of play with. And this one right here is, of course, a Paramecium. It's actually labeled. So if you're over kind of the static, um, you know, labeled Paramecium here, this might be a little bit more interesting. Whoa. Yeah, these are so cool. At first, when you first get into it, you may have to kind of zoom out, but then it should be visible, and it kind of stays in a relative position, and you can kind of rotate your phone. It's really cool. So yeah, if you go to microscopeclarity.com and just type in either tardigrade, Daphnia, or Paramecium, and then when the model loads, you just hit that little augmented reality button and have fun.